Hello and welcome back to Draw with Boba. Today we're going to be drawing a chibi chicken. It's going to be really simple, so to get started we're going to actually start with a big oval shape. I'm going to start for here on top of the page, and then we're going to add a dot here, and then we're going to start drawing our oval shape. I'm going to end up around here, like so. Once that's done, let's draw in the top of the chicken's head. It's just going to be two lump things, and maybe a third one in the middle. And it's going to go back like so. And this is going to be the red thing on the top of the chicken's head. And with that done, let's draw in the eyes. The eyes are going to be around this area and this area. So we're just going to draw in these big ovals for the eyes. And once you have the eyes done, let's draw in a little highlight. Small highlight, and then color in the negative space. With the eyes done, let's just draw in the beak. The beak is going to be a very simple shape, like so. And for the chicken details, let's draw in little wings. Very little, so we're just gonna go right here. These are little wing hands, and we need little feet, and we need little claws. Just 3 and 3, and these are little feet of the chicken. And let's give the chicken some nice tail feathers. To do that, we're gonna add in 3 round shapes towards the back with the tail feathers. And maybe a little bit of blush. And there you have it. A cute little chicken drawing. Let's add some color real quick. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any suggestions for any other animals you want to see, please leave it in the comments down below. And I'll see you in the next one.